If you want to record the screen on Nothing Phone 3, first we need to find the screen recorder, and we can find it by going to Quick Settings. If you go to Quick Settings, you should be able to scroll through different pages in order to eventually find the screen record option. It is added by default. In case it is missing, you can tap on this pen icon in order to find out if it's not hidden over here. And once you find it, you can just tap over here in order to choose how you want to record. So we have different options. If you choose to record the entire screen, you can choose to record audio. You can also choose if you want to record the device audio, microphone, or both. You can also show touches on screen. And once you are ready, press start recording. And then after that, you should be able to see a countdown over here on the status bar if there is enough space. You can also see a notification of the screen recording over here. So once you want to stop the screen recorder, then of course we need to go to notifications, and you can tap on stop, or you can go back to the control center or quick settings, and you can press stop over here. And this is how we can record the screen. In addition to that, we can add a widget to the home screen that allows you to assign the screen recorder. So press and hold your finger on an empty space and go to widgets. And then over here, we're gonna scroll down in order to go to quick settings, and then you can choose the size. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, press and hold it, and then drop it anywhere you wish it to be. And then here you should be able to find screen record option. And this is also another way that allows us to record the screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.